I want to talk to you today about affiliate marketing. And I know there are some people out there that are very skeptical about affiliate marketing and they think it's nothing but a scam. I'm going to talk to you today about how you can make $5,000 a month. And I'm doing this right now with affiliate marketing. But I also feel it's important to explain something about affiliate marketing to you right off the bat if you think it's a lazy get-rich-quick scheme. If you're watching this video right now, there's an 80% chance that you work a 9-to-5 job, and day in and day out, you're doing work that accomplishes making money for the company, and you're getting paid an hourly salary or wage. For some of you, you work in sales, and you're not getting a cut of the profits that you're directly working for and generating. There are some of you that have probably in the business that you work in as an employee, some of you have generated, and I experienced this myself in corporate America, some of you have generated $1 million, $500,000 for the company this year directly as a result of the work that you did. But you're not walking away with $100,000. You're not even walking away with $50,000 on top of your salary for the profits that you helped facilitate. You're not getting a 10% commission cut of what you sold. Now, if there's anything that feels really uncomfortable or scammy, I would argue that not getting some portion of the sales that you facilitated is a scam. But you do it anyway. But you won't go on the internet and take a cut and a commission that might be 20, 30%, or up to 50% for a sale that you can facilitate by just giving good information on something a person was probably going to buy anyway. And that's a scam? Really? All right, let's talk about it. Hey everybody, this is Roberto Blake helping you create something awesome today. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have no idea who I am, first of all, thanks for dropping by, clicking on the video. My name is Roberto Blake. I'm a creative entrepreneur. I've made over 1,000 videos on YouTube because I came from the world of freelancing and I want to help people get educated and motivated if they have a creative talent to realize that they can make money from that creative talent. I've done everything from writing to photography to graphic design throughout my career, video editing and production. And I managed to put those skills to work to build myself a successful social media coaching business. I'm also a public speaker at events like Social Media Marketing World and VidCon. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to grow additional revenue streams, diversify your income, and create financial freedom and security for you and your family. I also think that it's wildly accessible for a lot of you. And I want to tell you 5 things that you can focus on that will make you more money with affiliate marketing. And you will not necessarily have to build a YouTube channel, although it is a great platform for doing that. But I do recommend that some of you explore at least blogging and writing, because it is accessible, it will take you less time than making a video or maybe even doing a podcast, which I also think is a great idea. And I've given you a lot of information on this channel to start either of those ventures, but at least start blogging. And that's not even tip number 1. Let's get into how you can make $5,000 a month with affiliate marketing. I'm going to tell you some strategies that can help you start generating maybe as much as $100 to $500 a day if you do this right. Aside from the obvious point that you'll have to have some kind of audience, and it can actually be a relatively small following. Listen and watch my how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step. I think it's going to help you a lot if you're just trying to get started. But here's how you're going to grow money with this. The first thing that I would do is look for affiliate programs that offer a recurring commission. These are usually going to be services. This might be easier if you're doing something in the internet space and you can use things that have a recurring commission associated with them. And I'll give you 2 very healthy examples in my case. These are platforms that I'll give you 3 examples. These give healthy commissions. Lead Pages for email marketers, KAJABI for coaches building courses. Both of these do 30%, and TubeBuddy, which is a browser plugin service for YouTube content creators, also does 30%, but I'm an affiliate that is a super affiliate, and I get a 50% commission on that. But all 3 of these particular platforms give me a 30% minimum recurring commission for the lifetime of the account that I sign up for these services. And these are things that people in my niche and my industry use on a regular basis. By doing training and tutorials and videos that help people understand how to use these products before they buy them or while they're on the free trial of them, I ultimately end up with a 30% commission if I convert them to being a buying customer, and I get that for the lifetime of the account of the people that I brought in. Recurring commissions are great because maybe it's not a ton of upfront money, but it is long-term value as long as you brought the right people to the product or to the service. And it makes perfect sense. It's about qualifying the right buyers. And this means, again, you don't need a massive audience for this to be very lucrative and successful for you. A lot of people sign up for yearly accounts, so every year you'll get value from that account. People who do the monthlies, you'll get that monthly. So that is recurring income that you can more or less have some level of reliability around. In my case, I do over $5,000 in recurring income from affiliate marketing specifically because of prioritizing it, and I think that this is a massive advantage if you lead with it. Tip number 2. Focus on higher earning affiliate commissions. While it's great to get recurring, sometimes it's not that high of a recurring because it's 30%. Maybe that represents, $10 a month. You'd have to do a volume of high sales before that adds up to even $100 a month in recurring income. But in terms of individual upfront sales, there are affiliates out there where you can get $100 per commission, $30 per commission, $50 per commission, or more. And knowing what those are in your particular niche is important, and that's where you would focus building content and building an audience around it. Now, while these still pay out on a monthly basis, the reality is you can set a daily income goal around them, and you can start generating and setting up for a nice payout at the end of the month by focusing on these, higher ticket or, decent tier single sale products. Now, a good example of this would be that's accessible to a lot of you is something like web hosting. If you already do anything in the online space, you have a website that you're hosting with a company, and the odds are that that company has an affiliate program, and by just recommending that people use the service that you're already using for your website, guess what? Those people will generate sales for you in the form of you getting that commission. So maybe it's $50 or $100 or $200 a sale, just depending on what your web hosting company is offering in their affiliate marketing program. Some web hosting companies even offer what they call a reseller program, which could be even more lucrative for you. So for those of you who have any kind of online business or venture, affiliate marketing through the web hosting company that you already are using is a massive opportunity. The same goes for some email marketing. Not all email marketing related things are recurring commission. Some of that is upfront as well. Some of it will be a percentage and some of it will be a flat rate. I'm a big fan of flat rate affiliate marketing because if you know that there's a $100 or $30 or $50 bounty, you know how many sales equals how much money in a very transparent way. Making an abundance of content that facilitates these individual sales is going to be very practical for you. And that's how you can know that, oh, well, I'm making 300 a day, 500 a day, because it equals how many sales, 3 sales, 5 sales, 10 sales, right? How much content do you think you need in order to accomplish that? We'll get to that in a moment, but I feel that by focusing content around these higher ticket or individual products, it makes total sense. Tip number 3. Diversifying your affiliate marketing. Just like we make diverse multiple income streams, and I talk about that a lot on this channel through a lot of the business related content, a lot of the content around passive income or building an online business, I constantly stress the importance of diversifying. Because again, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, you're just one person deciding they don't like you, or one person wanting to push you out, or God forbid, one person in your department screwing up, away from you losing the only way that you have to provide for you and your family and take care of yourself. So what I'm saying here is I don't think that affiliate marketing gets all of you to $5,000 a month and quit your day job. I'm very realistic, but I do think that if you guys are making a few extra hundreds of dollars every single month, the first year that you do this, it adds up, and maybe down the road you get very good at it, or you grow an audience and it scales. Either way, I don't think you lose on this. I think it's just a matter of giving up time that you might be spending on Netflix. So let's talk about how you can diversify. Obviously, you know that I'm doing multiple affiliate marketing ventures because I've talked about a few of them here on the channel. But I think the problem with a lot of you who aren't making money on affiliate marketing, and maybe I'll do a dedicated video about this topic, but I think the real reason that a lot of you don't make money on affiliate marketing is you're focusing on just one affiliate marketing program and then getting discouraged and not doing anything else. I also think that a lot of you are just putting all of your eggs in the Amazon basket because it seems accessible and there are the most products. And here are a couple of the issues with that. I love Amazon, and it was one of my first forays into affiliate marketing, but the reality is that the margins on it are not great, meaning that the percentage of commissions that you get aren't great, and you would have to take traffic away from your own site for a very small potential payout unless you're selling a ton of their products. I mean, so that's very uncomfortable for me, and it doesn't feel like it's worth it sometimes on a lot of money. That's why I told you to focus on recurring and to focus on higher ticket items. So what else do we mean here? Well, I would say that it's overwhelming to do a bunch of things at once. So maybe pick 3 really strong affiliate programs. I would say find one that is a recurring program that you can start with, and then find 2 very good ones with flat rate commissions, something that's like, maybe it's like $20 to $50 range, and then something that's $100 plus range. And then I would add in this, something that's wildly accessible that doesn't necessarily have the highest commissions, but it's something that will generate a volume of sales that could add up over time. So that could be something like Amazon, or another platform that offers that level of accessibility in your niche. Some of the app stores do that as well, so maybe that's practical for you. Tip number 4, and this one I think is really the focal point of a lot of this. I think you need to buckle down and make 30 to 90 days worth of content. And I think for a lot of you, the easiest place to start is to start with blogging articles and making things that could be resource list, meaning like you could audit and say, here are a bunch of products I use every day, whether that's for your lifestyle or your business. Now make a list so that you can make a top 5 list or a top 10 list. Here's an idea for those of you who aren't doing an online business and let's just say you're a parent. One thing you could consider is writing a blog that is just a resource for parents and does a collection of all of the items, the products and services that you use for your family, and write some short list style articles about why you use these 5 things, or why, if your kid has an allergy, these 10 products are a must have in your household. There are other people like you who would benefit from that. There are a lot of people who feel like affiliate marketing is scummy and uncomfortable, but if you set out to be a resource for people like you, it's not. It's actually very helpful because people don't have to hunt this stuff down on their own and figure it out. They can have a perspective of somebody that shares their experiences or shares their struggles and has come up with a solution. And finally, tip number 5 for making more money with affiliate marketing: build a niche website and drive traffic to that niche website. This is one of the most underutilized tactics that I think I've ever seen. You can specifically take a problem, just one problem. It doesn't even have to be a whole theme or whatever, just one problem, and specifically make 20 or 30 pieces of content around that on a website called a micro website. And that's all the website is. You don't have to update it every week. You don't have to do any of that. You just outline all of the information that you think is relevant in 20 or 30 pieces of content, and that solves the problem. And you can put resources and affiliate links into that are practical and are part of the execution of solving that problem. And all of a sudden, you have a great resource for people that directly benefits you in terms of affiliate marketing, sales, passive income, and you can put multiple items. It could be 10, 20 items that are resources and tools into this that people will buy. It could be 100 items. So I would say find a problem to solve, make a list of all the resources that solve that problem, and then find affiliate programs and commissions associated with tools, resources associated with solving that problem, and then build and farm out content around that and own a website for it. Then use things like email marketing and a free download or other means to drive traffic, SEO, whatever it is, drive traffic, social media distribution, just drive traffic to this website. Get people this information and resource and help them buy things that solve this one problem. So there you go. 5 tips on affiliate marketing, 5 ways that I think if you implement enough of these, you can put yourself in a position where you're making $3,000 to $5,000 plus a month in affiliate marketing. Not overnight, not in the next 30 or 90 days. You will have to work your way up to it. But I do feel that it's possible for you because it was possible for me, and I think that it's more accessible even now because there's just so much attention, there's so much traffic on the internet, there are all these great new opportunities in YouTube, podcasting, and blogging is still relevant. So I really feel like this can help you. Now, obviously, there are affiliate links in the description down below for resources that you can take advantage of. We have a discount with our friends at Bluehost. They're not a sponsor, they are an affiliate, and they got us a discount for you if you need to start a website or a microsite, or if you need to start a website for hosting your podcast. We have that in a link down below with a discount. If you need to build a coaching business and you're going to do that, we have a link for KAJABI down below. You can start a free trial. If you're a YouTuber, there are a ton of resources in the description down below for you, and all of those, of course, are affiliate links that help benefit this channel. I think you guys see exactly what I did there. Question of the day. What is your biggest challenge right now? What is it? It can be anything related to either work-life balance, it could be making money online, it could be, trying to figure out growing your platform. I would love specific questions so that I can make videos in the future for you guys that help you out. This is something that a lot of you requested around affiliate marketing because, there are other videos that I've done about it, but you wanted specifically to know how you could scale it and make some real money, and I hope I provided that value for you. Anyway, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other awesome stuff here on the channel. As always, you guys, thanks so very much for watching, and don't forget, go out there and create something awesome today. Take care.